Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of Ordinary Differential Equation asked in Csirnet 2019. So our question is, let yx be solution of this differential equation with this condition, then the value of y3 is. So here the differential equation is Cauchy equation with non-constant coefficient. So how to solve this? First we have to let this x square, this equation is what, x square y double dash minus 2y is equals to 0. So let x is equals to e की power z, so z is equals to log x. So now we will solve this. So what do you put in the place of x square? D minus 1 minus 2 of y is equals to 0. So d square minus d minus 2 is equals to 0. This is converted into what? Constant coefficient differential equation. So as we solve this equation, we will get the required answer. So what is the root of this equation? By solving this, we get auxiliary equation m square minus m is equals to 2, that is m square minus 2m plus m minus 2 is equals to 0. So here m is equals to what? Minus 1 comma 2. So this is the roots of this equation. So what is the solution? Y is equals to c1 e minus z plus c2 e 2z. Why will put here z? Because we let in z. So what the equation become? So if we substitute the value of z here, what we get? c1 upon x plus c2 x square. So y is equals to this. Now we will apply this boundary condition. What we get? Add x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. So add y1 is equals to 1, we get what? c1 plus c2 is equals to 1. This is equation number first. Second, at y2 is equals to 1, what we get? At y2 is equals to 1, what we get? At c1 upon 2 plus 4c2 is equals to 1. So simplify this, what we get? c1 plus 8c2 is equals to 2, and first this is the second equation, and first equation c1 plus c2 is equals to 1. By solving this, we get what? c2 is equals to what? We get the value of the c2. c2 is equals to 1 upon z, 1 upon 7. As we subtract this equation, we get what? c2 is equals to 1 upon 7. If c2 is equals to 1 upon 7, put here, which implies c1 is equals to what? 6 upon 7. We get c1, we get c2. So now final equation is what? Final equation, which is equals to y is equals to c1, that is 6 upon 7 x plus 1 upon 7 x square. This is the required equation. But we have to find what? The value at y, x is equals to 3. So if we put 3 here, what we get? Y of 3 is equals to, here we put the value of 6, z in the place of 3 plus 1 upon 7 3 cube, that is equals to what? Here LCM is 20, 7 to 21, 6 plus 9 into 3, 9 to 27, that is 33 upon 27, which is equals to what? Which is equals to 11 upon 7. So this is our required answer. So option D is correct. So this is the final solution. First we will solve this, let this, and then solve this as usual. As we solve differential equation, we will find this equation, and by condition we will find c1 c2 and put here, and this is the required solution of this equation. But we have to find at x is equals to 3, we will put here and then solve this. This is the required solution of this equation. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.